And we're on. Okay. So this stream's focus is going to be on using 6 LEDs and programming them independently, first of all. And then second of all, to get through 3 different levels of what I plan, level 1, level 2, level 3, and I'll go through them as they come up. So, first thing is first. Before we wire this up, I want to go, when I program this, I want to go through the PWN pins. So if I want to go through the I have a suspicion I know what they are, but just to verify, 3, 5, 6, 9, 10, 11. Okay, so let's wire those up. 3 will be the furthest. Okay, 3, 6, 9, 10, 11. 1 resistor into each one. I'm going to that's why. I can go on that one. The reason behind that is I wanted to make it all in one line. This is line 34, so 34 is all in one line. This is so 0, 50. So the 34 lines up with this one 16. And then this one should be 38, 40, 42. Oh, that's coming backwards. 32, 20, 30, 28, 26, 24, last one. Okay. And then the LED minus So all 6 are in their corresponding ones. Okay. And then they all need to be connected to ground. Which one is that? This one? Yeah. Connect to ground. And now the problem here is that in the midpoint 20, these aren't connected, so I need to connect them. Okay. All connected to ground, all connected to here. And then from there it's just a matter of programming. Okay. So let's go. Okay. So I'm gonna use an existing one. Yeah. We're going to oh, this stupid. Okay. Okay, so this is the basic LED blink program from before. And then just have it typed up. Let's do it like this. Just have it typed up. Pins are in LEDs are connected to PWM pins 3, 5, 6, 9, 10, 11. Okay. Alright, fair enough. So since it is connected in that way, let me put this down a bit more. Void setup, so it's not going to be just pin 3. 3, 5, 6, okay, 3, 5, 6, 9, 10, 11. Okay, digital right LED, these are the 3s, okay. You know what, let's do this, let's make them blink one at a time. So yeah, this is gonna be LED 3. It's gonna go in order from left to right. That one's on because of the previous code. We didn't change out the Arduino Nano, so perhaps I should reset. No, it just resets. Okay. Anyway, 3. Let's see. I guess I'll do it this way. Copy, paste. So we're going to blink for a second. We're going to blink for a second. 3, and 3 is going to go down. Then we're going to do 5, and 5 is going to go down. Then there's 6, and there is 9, and then 10, 11. Okay. Man, the music keeps on cutting out. Spotify website not working, Spotify app not working. What is going on? OBS Studio disconnected. Reconnection successful. Okay. I certainly hope so. Okay, was just choosing my music. Okay, back to it. LED pins 6, 11, 9, 10, 11. Okay, and then with that, let's file save as. Don't want to overwrite the other one. Let's see, 6 LED 001 6 LED blink. Save. Okay, and with that, let us upload and take a look at what happens here. One. Okay. And for this, I haven't put in the code to adjust the brightness yet. As you can see, digital write, where are we? Digital write 3 is high and then low, so it's going to be at its maximum output and minimum outputs. And so, okay, yeah, that was level 1. Just blink it. Simple and easy. What was going to be the next one? No, it's not here.